Hi folks, Duncan here from CapitalQ. So this is video 2 of our series. So when are company tax returns due? As usual, I will primarily focus on due dates for companies where they don't have prior year tax returns outstanding nor a poor lodgement history with the ATO. But before I do, I will mention if you had at least one prior year return still outstanding on the 30th of June, being the last day of the financial year, then your next company tax return is due 31 October, being the same day as when individual tax returns for self-preparers are due. So there is plenty of incentive to get all of your outstanding returns done before 30 June so that in future you get much more time to prepare, lodge and most importantly pay your future company tax bills. But back to companies that have their affairs in order. As always, I will start with the warning that there are a number of exceptions to the primary rules, so what I'm about to discuss applies to the majority of companies, but you should always seek personalised specialist advice for your own circumstances. Now, if your company qualifies as a large or a medium taxpayer, then its return is due on the 15th of January. Although slightly strangely, the tax payment was due a month and a half earlier on 1 December. Most businesses don't qualify as large or medium taxpayers, but if your business's annual turnover is above 10 million, you are in. The next due date for lodgement is 31 March, and this applies to companies with annual turnovers above 2 million. If your lodgement is due 31 March, payment is also due that day. Pretty much all other companies have a due date of 15 May and payment is also due that same day. Finally, if your company would normally have a due date of 15 May and it has no tax to pay upon lodgement this year and it had no tax to pay upon lodgement last year, you can actually lodge as late as 5 June and the ATO won't consider it late even though it technically was. Hope you're able to keep up with all that. Unfortunately, things are never as simple as you might hope when it comes to Aussie tax. But next video, we will discuss due dates for trusts and partnerships. We've just released 2 groundbreaking new resources for smart, ambitious business owners and serious private investors. The first is our free downloadable report entitled The Business Owners and Investors Due Diligence Checklist. It provides you the 7 critical questions you must ask your accountant and advisor to ensure you have the right one to help you pay less tax, build genuine lasting wealth and to stay out of trouble with the ATO. It also includes 9 wealth building strategies we believe most accountants never reveal to their clients because they don't know them themselves. The second is our complete guide entitled The Savvy Business Owners and Investors Guide to Choosing the Right Accountant and Advisor for Today's Economic Climate. It includes the due diligence checklist and the 9 wealth building strategies, plus a whole lot more educational information to help you make the right decision. We can send you the complete guide, including audio CD, for free via express post so you can have it tomorrow. Just follow the links at the end of this video or below if watching on YouTube to access the free report or the free guide or both.